You may be familiar with this green spice, kaffir lime. It's the king of aromas in our kitchens. After we cut it open and looked inside, have you ever wondered why it's all white inside, like there's a mysterious network? The inner skin of the kaffir lime is not white. It looks oily and shiny. This isn't the flesh of the fruit, you know. So, what's the purpose of this strange structure? And most interestingly, why is this the source of the legendary aroma? Today, we're not just going to cook. We're going to be detectives, dissecting nature's secrets hidden beneath its wavy skin. All the answers are here, in the white layer we often consider garbage and throw away. Hold on, don't throw it away. Because this layer in the botanical world is called albedo. Cool name, huh? But it's not just a cushion. She is the fortress of defense, the supply warehouse, and the secret factory of the kaffir lime fragrance. Let's take a closer look. Notice the white color sticking out a bit on the inner skin. It's spongy or foam-like texture, full of pores and cavities. This isn't a manufacturing defect. It's the genius of nature's design. Each of these cavities is the space between cells, like empty apartments in a city. Well, this empty city is the key to the magic. These cavities are filled with air and aromatic oil vapors. Imagine, it's like a sponge that has been soaked with the world's strongest natural perfume. When we grate the bark or tear the leaves, we blow up those apartments, releasing all the stored aromas. So, where does this magical structure come from? It all starts when the kaffir lime is still small. Its middle layer grows in a unique way. The cells are not tightly packed, but intentionally form a hollow network. This is a survival strategy. This thick albedo serves as protection from shock and heat, as well as a water reservoir to survive the dry season. Well, what we see here, this is the essence of the discussion, namely the white color, like a kind of sap, but not sap. With the help of a microscope, it turns out that the white color is very rough and is arranged like small stones. For us humans, evolution has provided an unexpected bonus. Within the water reservoir lies the purest concentrate of kaffir lime aroma. That's why the kaffir lime's aroma isn't just on the outer skin, but penetrates deep within. The leaves have a similar story. Their oils are stored in special sacs beneath the smooth surface. Well, here's the secret connection. Its bumpy skin is probably the home for this super thick albedo. Look at the pores. They are very large and numerous, but the size of the pores behind the skin of the kaffir lime. It takes more surface area to accommodate all those scent factories and protective tissues. Nature creates unusual shapes for unusual functions. So, the next time you hold a kaffir lime, you're no longer holding just a kitchen spice. You're holding a masterpiece of natural engineering. A perfectly designed aroma storage system, a gentle protective fortress, and the secret key to the authentic taste of cuisine. Now you know the secret. You know that the white part isn't the enemy, but rather the source of the aroma. So, when cooking, appreciate every bit of it. The yellow part is the outer skin of the Kaffir lime, and there may be holes. These are the pores of the albedo that penetrate the outer skin. So, when cutting the Kaffir lime peel, don't throw away the white part, because that's where the energy content is stored. The white part is not the fat. Share your favorite recipes using Kaffir lime in the comments. And if you're curious about other kitchen spice secrets, subscribe and turn on the notification bell because we'll be exploring more wonders from our kitchens. See you on our next science adventure.